Alright guys, here's our test. We got our original key fob right here. Let's try it. Hey guys, this is Scott Wood, Team Dragon North Carolina Chapter President. We just received our MyKey Premium Plus. Today we're going to show you how to install it. You get this little box right here. Comes in some nice bubble wrap. Looks pretty simple. Then you just get this wiring harness here, and we're going to show you how to put it in. Alright, so what you're going to want to use is one of these right here. You're going to see a little tab up on the bottom. You're going to push it in and you're going to work it off. It sometimes helps to have a second one just to pull up behind there, and then it's going to pop off like that right there. There's another tab at the other side. You're going to grab it and you're going to start working it off all the way around. Alright. Alright, so inside of here, you're going to see this little box here for the smart key. You're going to get your tool down in here, pop these two little tabs off, and you're going to leave this third one right here. Alright, so now you got these little guys right here. They're going to be replacing your plugs that are down in the bottom here. Alright, so we got the first one plugged in. Now we're going to work on this one here. Alright, so now that we have our box installed, we're going to work on getting it pushed back down into the bottom here. We're going to install this the exact same way we took it off. Make sure all your clips are lined up and all your vents, and apply a little pressure and a little tap. And there you have it. Alright guys, here's our test. We got our original key fob right here. Let's try it. Works. All it took was 2 clicks on your original key fob, play of 2 wires, 1 harness. Big shout out to MyKey Premium. They made it a very simple install to get your car remote start. If you would, go check out their website. It's one of the cheapest ones I've ever seen. It's a simple plug and play. Definitely go check it out.